I choose to talk about trains.
All right, what do we got?
We got trains.
We've got some
We got
brand
trains.
new, local.
Local.
Oh, it's sort of local, isn't it?
It's funny because I actually saw one of these go through my platform 13 the other day.
What do you mean?
That's exactly what I said.
Really? Take a photo of it?
No.
Why
Did
not?
not take a photo of it. Tried to lick it.
And?
I didn't.
No friction burns?
Didn't lick it.
Oh, I didn't get to it.
Nope.
I went fast enough.
Nope. What are we looking at?
There's a lot here, isn't there?
What are we looking at?
What
These are latest releases from Powerline, HO scale.
Mhm.
Yeah, and they are carriages. Can I
Yes.
call them carriages?
Rolling stock?
Rolling stock of Australian and even more localized Victorian content.
That's right.
So young Finley informed me that some of them are older Victorian rail stuff, the VR.
Yep.
And then some of them are the later model V-line ones when it was privatized.
Mhm.
So a full range of Victorian stuff.
So we've got hoppers, we've got uncovered wagons.
Yep.
What else we got? We got I'm trying to see here.
What do you mean? And it comes with a KD coupler.
Yeah, that's a nice touch, isn't it?
So these are handcrafted. Can I say that?
Yeah. Well, I mean, these are made by Powerline. They've
Powerline.
been produced by a company local in Australia, and it's great that it's really focused on Victorian stuff. Now, obviously, each state, everyone loves the local stuff, and we've had a bit of an influx on Australian themed product.
It's funny because a lot of the rail people that I speak to in store, they love English stuff.
Hmm.
And like, have you ever been to England? No. But they just love English rail.
I guess it's got that connection, isn't it? It's old worldly.
Old worldly.
Yeah.
Well, this is old worldly. This would be from the 50s and 60s and 70s.
But it's not as old worldly as like steam. It's still interesting.
I'm not saying it's not interesting. Don't say that for a second.
I didn't.
And some of these carriages, like I said, I reckon I've seen them pull through platform 13 just next door. So yeah, so really good Victorian rolling stock.
Mm.
I'm really proud to have it. And I'm sorry I can't be more specific on this information because I just don't know.
Well, we don't really.
But drop
Get
it,
into it a
drop
lot,
it in
we-
the comments. Teach us. That's what
That's right.
every time I go to the train department,
Because there's one rolling
I
stock
speak-
here with cut out sides. Now, what do they use for that?
that would have been steelage. I'd say that's so
You
I can
reckon
get
it's steel?
fork. That's so I can get forks in there and stuff.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's one of these ones, I think.
I'm not sure.
Where is it?
I've
Oh, it's
moved
this
it.
one.
Jenga. So I can
You
get a
reckon that's
fork
steel?
in. Yeah.
That's a big fork, isn't it?
No need to swear.
There you
I've
go.
only seen you use chopsticks.
Yeah, they're handy. You can pick up anything with those.
I know, right?
You can even catch flies with them.
Wow. I wouldn't go that far.
What do you mean?
Can you?
Haven't you watched that famous movie before?
I think you should recreate the scene.
What?
For me.
No, I won't do that.
No?
I don't think
Anyway,
we got enough time.
that is heaps. Well, how long will it take you to catch a fly?
What do you mean? Well, according to
You
Mr. Miyagi, it took him years. He still didn't do it. Daniel-san caught it before he did.